So before joining the program, I probably was doing like 5 to 10K a month. But that was like me really hustling to make it, right? I think it was like 40 days into the program, somewhere around there, did 37K.
Coming in, going from 5 to 10K month to a $37,000 month, where do you see your business going in the next 6 to 12 months?
6 to 12 months, I would say between 50 to 75K consistently every month. Even this month, bro, like I closed 10K last night. So this upcoming month's going to be even more than my previous month. So the program, man, it set the bar high. I always wanted to hit that 50K a month mark, but I've never really had the blueprint to do it. And this program gave it to me.
What's going on, guys? This is another success story from the Academy. Like I said, I've been able to help a lot of people start, grow, and scale their own funding company as a business loan broker. And if you're somebody that's interested and ready to make a change, start making money online, start your funding company, grow your funding company, excel as a broker, I want you guys to click the link below to apply to see if we're able to work together and help you accomplish your dreams too. Last but not least, I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Yo, what's going on, fam? We got another Academy success story. I got my guy Tyler here. Tyler's been in the Academy for a little while now, and he's been crushing it. He's been solidly crushing it. Every other week, he'll put a result or something he's been able to accomplish, and just super excited to just bring somebody on and try to tell his story and celebrate his wins, man. What's going on, Tyler?
What's up? What's up, bro? How you doing?
Pretty good. How about you?
I'm chilling, bro.
100%. So let's dive right into it, man. Go ahead and tell the people a little bit more about you, your background, maybe what you were doing before funding, and how you got into the space.
Got you. So I always been in the entrepreneur space for the most part. I tried the ATM business. I tried real estate wholesaling. I tried a bunch of stuff, right? But nothing really seemed to work in the way that I wanted it to. Prior to that, educated, master's degree, international business, did the education corporate side, didn't work for me. I started to do credit about 2, 3 years ago. That was pretty successful. We kind of built it up all word of mouth. No systems, nothing really in place. We just was building it up that way. And then I came across Said when we both were in a different program, and I watched his trajectory, and it made me tap in with him. It made me see, okay, what is he doing that I'm doing wrong, right? And that's kind of how I got to where I'm at now. Now I'm in the process of transition from credit repair into just funding full time.
100%. And I know that journey too well, man, because I did this exact same thing.
Right.
I started off in credit repair when I was an engineer, and I tell people all the time, credit repair is a great beginner starter business, an
Yeah.
easy way to get some quick wins because we can throw a rock and probably hit somebody that got bad credit. You know what I mean?
Hmm.
But it does come with a lot of compliances and headaches. But once you really get into the funding space and you see like how you can get a client and how easy fulfillment and the amount of money you can make, it makes
Right.
it a game changer. You know what I mean?
Yes,
So I
sir.
know we both could agree on that, man. So
Yes, sir.
moving on to the next question. Let the people know, I guess, before joining the program, how much you were making monthly, and then what was you able to scale to when you joined the program?
So before joining the program, I probably was doing like 5 to 10K a month, right? And that was a struggle. That was like me really hustling to make it, right? I think it was like 45 days, 40 days into the program, somewhere around there, did 37K. So
Hey,
so I instantly got my metric back times way more, right? And even this month, bro, like just last night, I closed 10K last night. So
wow.
this upcoming month's going to be even more than my previous month. So the program, man, it set the bar high. I always wanted to hit that 50K a month mark, but I've never really had the blueprint to do it. And this program gave it to me.
100%. That's what it's about. What do you think helped you to go from making that 5 to 10K a month to that 37K month? You know what I'm saying? What
Yeah,
clicked to say, oh, I can really do this? Or how did you like triple, you know what I'm saying, what you were
yeah.
making?
So I would say the mindset was already there. Like successful people often have a certain mindset prior to, like you kind of know what you're capable of doing and your potential. And that's how I was. But I didn't find the right person to guide me on that journey. A lot of mentorship and programs I've been in the past, I look at it like this. They'll give you the tools, they'll say here and then figure it out. This program was more so like, okay, here goes the tool and here goes the manual, right? It's so hard not to hit the goal if you just follow the blueprint. So I literally just went through all of your courses, like everything you provided in the community. I went through every video. Like that was my first thing for that first week, just every video, hitting every video. After that, bro, I just literally applied a fraction of what you put in there. Like just a fraction, and that took me from there to there. You know what I mean?
100%. And that's why I try to explain to people, like, I tried to set this program different because we both have invested into programs before. And
Yeah,
when I created my program, I wanted to basically piece great things I got from other people's programs, but
yeah,
bring in that camaraderie, that support, and like you said, having the manual to actually get things done. It's
yeah,
not enough to just give somebody a tool when you don't teach them how to use it. And that's kind of why I
yeah,
created what I created. Not only giving you the resources, but give you actionable steps, provide you with support, where you can
yeah,
get coaching sessions, live Q&As, and different things like that, man. And
yeah.
because you just took it and ran with it, man. So
Yes,
moving on to the people, because I always like to get to the bad and ugly if there's any, because some people think when we do these type of reviews, I'm always
uh-huh.
just giving the great stuff, man. Were there any challenges you faced or anything you would say that you would like to see better in the academy?
I'm gonna be transparent, bro. I really can't think of something, and maybe I didn't come across it yet, but I can't think of anything where I'm like, this could be better. Everything that I needed was there. Whether that was support, I reached out, somebody got back to me, my question was answered. Bro, I'm not even a community person. Like I typically join a community and I'm not even active. As you see with your community, I'm in there. I'm talking, I'm giving these reviews because you're giving me something to post. So I really can't say there's anything that can improve. The only thing I just ask is like when I come across different obstacles, I might say, "Hey, bro, can you help me with this? Help me with that." But no, bro, it's really that.
I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that, man. And that's what I tried to accomplish, bro. So I'm kind of like OCD with everything. It's like anytime I see something that could be better, I'm already working on it in the background.
Right.
And as you see, when you came into the program, it was well structured. You know what I mean? It
Yeah.
wasn't scattered. Like you can literally go to the modules, you can show up the Q&A
Yes.
and get a lot of the things you need help with, and get solutions to it, man. So
Yes, sir.
moving on to the next question. Based on your results so far, man. So coming in, going from 5 to 10K month to a $37,000 month, where do you see your business going in the next 6 to 12 months?
6 to 12 months, I would say between 50 to 75K consistently every month. I would say the business being more automated. That was one of the main things that I needed to focus on was my automations. But you even provide a blueprint for that. So no, I would say in that ballpark. I mean, we were creeping on 50K month already. So the sky's the limits, bro. It's really the sky's the limit. It's just a matter of you putting the work in.
That's all it ever comes down to, man. Would you say that in our program, we do a good job of taking people from, you would say, hustling to actually running the business? Because that's another
Yes,
thing I
sir.
saw in other programs. I feel like you mentioned, they give you the tool to just
Uh-huh.
make your first 3K, 5K, but you're hustling, running around like a chicken with your head cut off.
Yeah.
Do you feel like in our program, we give you the resources and tools to actually build a business out of this?
You give us a business in a box. So as long as you're willing to do the bare minimum and plug and play is right there's entity, it's really no excuse coming into your program. Any excuse you could think of, I don't have a system, here it is. I don't have the resources, here it is. You know, I can't find banks. You show us how to find banks in those regions. So it's really no excuses that matter of effort, but you're giving 80% of it. The other 20, they just gotta match.
100%. That's what I try to do, man. So we got a few last questions before we wrap this up. Were you
Yes, sir.
surprised by your results at all when joining the academy? Like, did you come in thinking it wasn't going to be anything at all? Like, were you surprised by the results you were able to get?
Um, I was surprised. I was surprised that I hit those numbers that fast. I didn't. I knew it's possible, but you join so many programs, and you're like, okay, this is the one. This is the one. So I didn't really go in with crazy expectations, and it just so happened to be the one. Um, Now prior to me signing on, I pay attention to personnel. So I would I would watch you, not just on the business side. I would just watch how you carry yourself throughout your day. And I'm like, this guy is meticulous in what he does, right? And I would just watch how transparent you are. And the program just matched that. It just proved all those things to be right. And yeah, bro, I definitely was surprised, but I won't go back to mediocre after this program. I'll tell you that much.
100%. That's another goal I wanted to do, man. I wanted to set the bar so high to where if you join any other program, it doesn't matter if it's
Yeah.
about funding or anything else. You're like, oh, this ain't half of what Stead taught us,
Yes.
right? Because
Yes, sir.
even for the investment, let me know if I'm wrong. People charge double what I charge and give you less,
For
right?
sure.
Am I
For
lying?
sure. For sure.
People charge double what I charge and give you less with no support. So
Right.
that's one of the things that I wanted to do is just stand out from the pack and add as much value as possible. So one last question I got for you, man, just to kind of wrap this up, man. If someone's on the fence about joining the academy, what would you tell them? Let's say we're talking to somebody that may be in a position like you where
Uh-huh.
you've been invested into programs before, you made some money in the credit and funding space, but you
Right.
may be like, they I already know what they got. But what would you tell them if they're on the fence about joining the program?
I would tell them they'll be dumb not to join the program. This program's not for somebody that just wants to start in the funding space. This could be somebody that's already in the funding space. No matter where you are on your journey, this program can take you to the next level. Um, you need the right mentor. Shed is the way to go. Bro, hands down, one of the best mentors I've ever dealt with, right? Um, if somebody's on the fence, bro, they need to join. It doesn't matter where they are in their whole journey, whether that's credit repair, funding, if they're looking to scale and be successful. Like I said, this is the first program of many that took me from where I wanted to go to where I was trying to go.
100%, man, and we can lead the people off of there. There's levels to everything, right?
Yes,
You may
sir.
think you know, and then there's somebody that comes along that you figure out you don't know. So,
Yes,
man,
sir.
I appreciate you hopping on, man. You've been great. I've been good. You guys, this is another success story from the academy. And like always, I bring these people up to inspire you guys. Just execute.
Just
Peace.
execute.
Yes, sir.
And they get, oh, you gonna pick it up? Because I'm about to
Nah,
say, I
but
ain't even touch on this part. Hey, bro, when I got the laptop, I'm like, hey, bro, people say a lot of things. I'm like, bro, really spent the laptop. Bro, really
that's
spent the laptop. No, bro, it's well worth it, man. You honestly could charge more.
100%. We gonna put that in there too. Like my guy just said before we even clip it up, he said one thing that we give to our students for joining is a laptop. So not only are we laptop and the resources, and like I said, it makes it a no-brainer, and that's what I want to do because obviously we're doing this to make money, but it's all about the impact and being able to help other people, right? Because
Yes,
the
sir.
more I can put you in position to help to become the best person you are, you now can impact others as well, and that's what it's all about. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
100%. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap that up. I'm gonna let them put that up, bro. But